Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a Venn diagram in Microsoft Word. Yeah, very important. I'm going to show you exactly because some of you might be have problem creating it and all of that. I'm going to show you some steps in which you can actually follow how to create that Venn diagram. Very important right there. So the next thing you wanted to do, this is your Microsoft Word document here. So this is where you're going to actually create the Venn diagram. Right, so the first thing you want to do is to come up to the top right here, click on insert. So when you click on insert, what will happen to bring down the ribbon, right? It's very important. So you're going to look for shapes. So this is a shape. If you notice illustration, right, it actually fall right on the illustration group. So we're going to click on the look pointer. Why on the look pointer? Because it gives you the several different types of options. Alright, so this is a circle. You want to click on it, and as you want to click on it, and drag down on the document become a plus. If you want the circle well straight, you hold down the shift key while holding on the side of the mouse and you drag it like that. Good. So this is how you see like that. You want it to do the same thing, come right back up here, so notice it show right up here the shape. Insert the shape right here, so click again. Then we're going to do the same thing while on the shift key and on the left side of the mouse and then drag it. So you get the shape even. Right, so you're gonna lock them like this. Very important, right? So if you notice right up here, that's a shift style. You want to click right here. You notice if you click right here, you come like this. You click. Notice this is where this one look like. You're gonna click this one. Right, you're gonna click back here and do the same thing for this one. Good, but if you notice, then don't lap to what Venn diagram should look like. Alright, so I'm going to click on this one. If you notice, same style up here, so I'm going to come right up here. Notice a shape fill. I'm going to click on that. Notice it bring down this drop down window. So I'm going to come all the way down here and say no fill. So notice that when I click on no fill, you notice it's actually cross here it is so far. Go to our Venn diagram taking up shape now. So we want to click back my insert again and then we want to go to shape. So we're going to select a square box right here. So we're going to draw right here. So this is self. You can actually click on this to change it. So you're going to put a number inside here. So we're going to put centimeter right there. So let me draw it out some more that I can see centimeter right here. And draw that down that I can actually see centimeter right there. Good, but if you notice, you see the box around it. I'm going to show you exactly where you can actually remove that. Alright, so continue that shape. Get the box. Yeah, try it just the same. Right, so come right here, so you clear it. So far, and they put in a centimeter so far. Alright, you come right here again. You're gonna draw the box. Just the same, change it. And they're gonna put in a centimeter right here, just the same. You click on the box. You're gonna do the same thing. Clear it. They're gonna put in your centimeter so far. Alright. So we're gonna select this one. Now we're gonna put it right here in the middle. Alright, and we're gonna change the color of the box. And then we're gonna do this. Good. Alright, so let me kind of stretch this one out a bit. Alright, if you notice this one right here, the centimeter right here, I wanna draw that one out. Alright, let me move one of these centimeter right here. Alright, now we have this actually complete now. Now we want to move these outline. Alright, so I wanna click on it. Now when you click on it, you note right here, the shift comp, so you want to come right up here, so shape fill, you're gonna click, and you're gonna say no fill, you're gonna come right here, so shape outline, click, and say no outline. Right, so you're gonna try the next one like that, just click on it, highlight it, come right here, so to shape fill, no fill, you go right here to shape outline, no outline, no outline. Let's go that again. Yeah, let me see. Alright, click on this one now. I click on shape fill. Say no fill. Shape outline. I said no outline. Alright, I do that for all of them. Same thing. Uh, you repeat it for that one. Now for this one inside, you do the same thing. Shape fill. Right here. Say no fill. Alright. So if you notice, if I click on this one, you notice this can move away from that. What I want when I shift this, that everything move together. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to group all these together. So notice this one highlight already. You can either hold on the shift key or the control key. And there click. When I click on each one of them, you notice, click on each one of them, click on the circle, and one highlight all of them. You wanna highlight all of them, right? You're gonna highlight all of them so far. Sometimes can be maybe challenging for some of you when you're gonna highlight it. Uh, good. Highlighting so far. I can just make one thing on black. If you notice everything there, so highlight. I want to come right up here. This is format. You want to click. Now when you click on format, you're gonna come all the way down here. That said arrange. You notice this is selfish group. You want to click. Here you want to click on group. And you click on group. If you notice there's a box around it. If I put the cursor on it like that, you notice there's only one never catch in the group in this one. Alright, so let me group ungroup. Let me group it. Alright, let me press for this and get about this one right here. Let me ungroup it by clicking it back right here. And you come back right here. You ungroup it. So everything highlighted. So let me get this one in the middle here. And get this one in the middle. Alright. Just the same, and they're gonna go back and they're gonna group it. Alright, now we group it now. You notice we have everybody right here moving together. What I can actually do with this, you can actually size this down like this. Just the same. You can copy and paste it and put it anywhere. Alright. So if you notice this Venn diagram right here. So this is how we actually do the Venn diagram right here. Microsoft Word document. It might be take a look at time to some of you. Some of you might see it a little bit technical, but just one step at a time. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.